Let's see, just a few simple modifications. Perfect.
The classroom is empty. I think it's safe to come out now.
Hold on, I'm still taking the spelling test.
I hear someone coming.
Smells like Davis. Are you saying I stink?
It is David!
Digimon, did you guys have a good day at school?
Where's your lead?
Yeah, Cody too! Don't worry about it. They're both on their way over.
Oh, you're someone now.
Sorry I'm late. I brought goodies from my family's convenience store.
Good idea. Interning Digimon are bottomless pits. If my family owned a convenience store, I'd eat candy all day long until my teeth fell out.
It's not that glamorous. I have to pay for anything I eat, even when I work there. But the job comes with a great pension plan.
Huh?
What is it? Can we eat it? I'm hungry. Of course you can eat it. Watch me.
The buffet is now open! Delicious! This is the best thing I've ever eaten in my whole life!